Welcome to this video on harness engineering, the new AI discipline for 2026. As we look at the landscape of modern engineering, it is clear that simply writing code is no longer the primary focus. Today, we will explore why the systems surrounding AI models are what truly define success. Consider this fact that changed everything. The OpenAI Codex team generated over 1 million lines of production code, and not a single line was written by a human. Engineers didn't spend their time typing, debugging, or reviewing code. Instead, they focused on building the harness. So what is harness engineering? It is the discipline of designing the environment, constraints, and feedback loops that make AI agents work reliably. Think of the AI model as a thoroughbred horse. In an open field, it is fast but useless. With a harness, it becomes precise, purposeful, and powerful. We can define this with a core equation. An agent equals a model plus a harness. The model is the engine, like GPT or Claude, but it is just one component. The harness consists of everything else: the context, tools, memory, and verification loops where true success is realized. Inside the harness, there are 6 essential components: prompt assembly, tool selection, sub-agent orchestration, memory and state management, self-verification mechanisms, and feedback loops that allow the system to learn from its mistakes and improve over time. This represents a major shift in our approach. The old way was to paste tasks into an AI and hope for the best. The new approach is to design the environment first, giving the AI real documents, defined structures, and automated checks. It is about moving from structure in to structure out. Agentic architecture is built in 3 layers. Layer 1 is the harness, owned by the application team. Layer 2 is the platform, owned by infrastructure, covering security and cost controls. Layer 3 includes the target models and APIs. The boundary between layers 1 and 2 is the most critical design decision. We see the harness in action today. In oil and gas engineering, IES ISO check automates drawing verification. In software, OpenAI's Codex manages architectural rules. Across legal and finance, agents use harnesses to process complex documents with a level of consistency and scalability that no human team can match. The most important insight is this: the harness is the product. When you invest in the model, you are renting capability that depreciates. When you invest in the harness, you are building a compounding asset that improves over time, making future model upgrades essentially free. Who needs to master harness engineering? It is essential for process engineers, engineering leaders, AI product builders, and software architects. If you are adopting AI, understanding this architecture is no longer optional. It is a critical leadership and technical competency. The role of the engineer is shifting. We are moving from writing code and manual debugging to designing environments and governing agent fleets. As the saying goes, the engineers who thrive will not be those who prompt the best, but those who design the best systems around AI. Ultimately, it is not about the horse, it is about the harness. At Intelligent Engineering Solutions, we build the harness so that your AI delivers. To learn more, visit our website.